Alright, my name's Moonlands, and recently I did some audio work for a play of unknown name, written and directed by the marvellous Millie Gaston, who describes it as being about psychosis in the everyday. And we thought we'd share some of the audio. The voice acting in the following clips was performed by Millie and Liam Woodlands-Mooney. All the recording, producing, music, sound design and mixing was done by myself. And most of the audio is designed to build tension and blur reality and transition between scenes. Here's a few clips.
Metropolitan Police Division warning difficult young women can help you. Gangs of men. Young women. Come outside. Find me in the fields, Pip.
How am I supposed to believe you? I can tell you what's going on. You're a liar. You're a liar.
Good morning. The time is 7:21. For those who've just joined us, our top stories today. Good morning. The time is 7:21. For those who've just joined us, our top stories today. Nigel Farage launches Brexit party. Cricketer guilty of raping sleeping woman, and new research suggests that the contraceptive pill could be the answer to drastically improving mood, productivity and energy.
Metropolitan Police Division warning young women gangs of men. Pip, come find me. I can help you. Where are we going? Where are we doing this? I brought wine. Just need to run away. Outside. Dance. I can dance. Find me in the fields, Pip.
Good morning. The time is 7:21. For those who've just joined us, our top stories today.
There we go. If you enjoyed that, then stay tuned for more by hitting the subscribe button and of course the like button. We really appreciate that. Check the description for more details about Liam and or Millie and their work and or social media, and my stuff's in there as well. If you want some audio work for a project that you're doing or know someone that does, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. And if you've liked and subscribed, I'll give you a juicy discount, so it'll only cost you about 50 grand an hour. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.